Gophers. I hate gophers.
Scum, slime, menace to the golfing industry. Hold it, Tiger. Hello, Mr. Gopher. This is Mr. Tiger. I'm gonna let you two guys do the dirty work for me.
Au revoir, gopher.
Oh, that's a peach.
I want you to kill every gopher on the course.
Check me if I'm wrong, Sandy, but if I kill all the golfers, they're gonna lock me up and throw away the key.
Gophers! You great kid, not golfers. The little brown furry rodents.
We can do that.
Aye.
We don't even have to have a reason.
Do it, man.
All right, let's do the same thing, but with gophers.
We're continuing to work at the Rhinema Foundation with the Spay Neuter Clinic in Catawba County Humane Society. It's a new facility that's just more animals spayed and neutered to control the overpopulation. And this Humane Society, there's no favorites. Harley, Digger, Mopar, and Socks, and they're all different for different reasons, and they're all different.
Caution, so body will get the free pass. Fourth caution of the night. BBQ Digger.